Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Samsung Galaxy A05S. So first open the phone dialer, then you have to go for one of the contacts, for example this one, click on the information icon and then click on the edit, and right now all you have to do is just to click view more, then scroll down and pick the ringtone. Yeah, there we go. And right now you've got the default ringtones that you can set up. You can also adjust the ringtone volume right here, and then you've got the option to set the custom ringtone. So we can pick it from here, click done, and as you can see right now when you save, it will be finished. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.